What's up guys? So today we are going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter as well as the engine air filter on the LS2 Corvette C6. Yeah, let's get started. Here we are. So my cabin air filter is super dirty and I do have the LS2 motors. Now if you do have LS3, the only difference is the location, and you probably need to take off a couple bolts in order to access the engine air filter, which is right around here. All you need to do is 2 clips and you'll be able to replace both sides at the same time, which is pretty easy. But if you do have LS3, yeah, unfortunately that's a different story. Anyway, I got this farm fresh breeze with baking soda. It's supposed to be able to help you breathe better. If you haven't checked your cabin air filter yet, my suggestion is you do that, because if you use the air conditioner often, the chances are it gets really dirty. And this is pretty cheap. It's like a couple dollars, like $10 on Amazon. You really don't need to clean it and reuse it. Yeah, let's get started. So what you wanted to do is locate the battery first, and above the battery there are 2 clips. What you want to do is to push the clips up, second one here, and pull the cabin air filter box, the cover up. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. And when you do that, be careful, because it can get pretty hot. Alright, once the cover is out, make sure to clean it. I already cleaned it so there's no dust around. This is a brand new filter, check it out. So what you want to do is to check the side. It says made in China, airflow. Should be downside. So what you want to do is just squeeze the air filter in. Shouldn't experience any blockage. Just make sure you do that slowly until it's been pushed all the way in, nice and tight, like that. Then you wanted to do is to close the cover, which I will show you right here. So what you want to do is to make sure the cover been pushed in like this. Make sure to close it on the other side as well, and that's it. That's how you replace the cabin air filter on the LS2 C6. On the LS3, same thing. The only difference is it's engine air filter. To pull it out, just unclick those 2 and then we'll have access to it. Yeah, and once you finish, make sure to pull this one up. Then lock it. Otherwise, like this, you won't be able to lock it. So this is actually designed. You need to once you unlock it, you really need to pull it out in order to lock it again. But anyway, that's how it works. And once again, when you're ready, just pull this one up, click it, put it down there, click it up. That's how you change the engine air filter. Yeah, I hope this video helps you to learn how to do it. Yeah, now you can enjoy fresh air. And of course, you can run the air conditioner, and it should smell pretty good by now. Yeah, I hope this video helps you learn how to replace the cabin air filter on C6. Very easy. That's another reason why I like the Corvette so much. Anyway, have a safe day and see you guys next time.